Hello everyone, welcome to Kanen Coffee. Here we have a RTD machine, espresso machine. This machine was brought here because we haven't been using in a while and it just needed to tune up. And as you can see, this over here, it totally needed tune up. It was in really bad condition. There was so much scale built up in pretty much the whole machine. As you can see it over here, this is just scale. There no water was working his way up over here like you see it right now, and it was just starting to leak right away as soon as he got to heat. So right now it's at almost 2 bars and it's just working perfectly fine. The steamer, very powerful as you can see, and the way we clean it, it just looks like a whole new machine compared to how it looked before. Fortunately, I have some pictures of it just to show. So just give me 1 second. Not a lot like I would like to have, but pretty much that's how they look before. Yeah, that's how it look over there, and this is how it looked before as well. Yeah, it just was in nice shape, and as you can see now, all here working perfectly. Alright, so let's put a shot. Hopefully I got the grind set up correctly so we can just see a good shot coming out from this machine. And this one only produces an ounce at a time, only can push 1 ounce of water through the group head. So you would like it double, you have to kind of like do it twice. And there you have it. RTD Pacino working once again. Okay, thank you for playing Kanen Coffee, and please subscribe to our channel for more content like this every day.